Alright guys, I'm shooting today at the range. I got the Smith & Wesson 40 cal. First time I'm shooting it. Regular ball ammunition, and then I'm going to try some self-defense ammunition after that. And then down the road here, we're going to shoot the 1911 with some defensive loads, because I heard that it has a tough time loading defensive loads, so I want to see how it goes. So right now, the Smith & Wesson 40 cal. Okay, not so bad. So I'll be right back with some defensive loads for that. Alright, now we're going to do the defensive loads, 10 rounds. The recoil is not so bad, I really don't mind it at all. Not much different than the 45 ACP. A little bit different than the 9mm, but there you go. So now we're going to try some 10 rounds of... Oh, there we go. Center fire, special duty, defense. Here we go. Wow, that's actually a lot better. I like it a lot. That was good shooting right there. Defensive loads feed well. Now we're going to try the 1911 with defensive loads. Okay, now we're doing the Rock Island. Defensive load. 45 ACP. See how that goes. That only shoots 8 rounds, and that's all I brought with me with that, so that wasn't so bad. And now I'm going to try the Beretta APX 9mm defensive loads, see how that runs. Okay, so in the Beretta APX, we're going to do the Hornady critical defense. This is 100 grain. Here we go, guys. Sorry there. I had a shell on my arm. Okay, well that really shoots good. And I guess you could tell I shoot the 9mm pretty damn good. Alright guys, that is the end. I will do a after the range talk in my car, let you know what I thought of each gun. Hey guys, yes, that was a great range day. Came by myself. Everybody else had something to do, so I figured I might as well do it. So first, the Smith & Wesson 40 cal shoots like a dream. The recoil is not bad at all. I was expecting more than that. I like it a lot. No malfunctions with the ball ammo. No malfunctions with the defensive ammo. So 2 thumbs up to that. The 1911 by Rock Island, people were saying that if you put defensive loads through it, it doesn't feed because of the ramp. Mine fed well, no malfunctions, shot about 50 rounds through it. I love it. And then the APX, I shot ball ammunition and defensive ammunition, no malfunctions. 3 guns that are really good in my collection. I like it. And I basically wanted to shoot them too because those guns I want to be holding, carrying when I go out and stuff. And with different types of ammo, I want to make sure that they feed right before I carry it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more, guys.